Okay guys, got another video for you. I don't know what's blurry. I don't know what's so blurry, but here's my Chevy Commins f350 1 million stroke dirt bike. Dude, this thing gets it. It gets it. Dude, starts first pull to that choke on. Gas already on. Look at that. Hear that engine purr. Got 1 million stroke. Woo. Goes fast. It goes fast. Got switch hand. The brake hand and throttle hand. Go a little off-roading. This thing, it gets it. It gets it. Yeah. Whoa, she does wheelies. She'll do burnouts too. Here, let me try and set up the camera real quick and I'll show you a little burnout. She's bright. It gets it. Oh, now I'm not afraid. Okay, let me try it now. Yeah, well, there's my 1 million stroke Chevy Commins f350. This thing fucking gets it. Whew. This dirt bike, dude, it'll beat any dirt bike out there. Tops out at 10,000 million quadrillion miles an hour. You guys don't want to even try and race me. You guys will lose and cry to your mamas. So, see you guys later. Like the video if you like it. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. If you don't want to miss my post, you can ring the bell and get notifications every time I post. See you guys later. Bye.